Okay, guys, buckle up because what I'm about to tell you is wild, and it will change how you talk about cars forever in America. Did you know that the average American spends almost 300 hours every single year inside a car? 300 hours. That is like 12 full days just sitting, driving, riding, waiting in traffic, vibing to music, talking to friends. That is crazy. And guess what? Most English learners who come to America still sound super weird when they talk about that life. They say the wrong word for ride and drive. They say, get on the car like they are riding a horse. Americans hear that and they go, yo, what? So today, we are fixing that 100%. We are talking real American English. Car talk, transportation talk, competition talk, everyday talk that you can use on the street, at work, at school, with friends, on a road trip from California to Texas. This is not boring textbook English. This is cool, fun, real-life English for the United States of America. If you want to sound American, if you want to talk about cars and races and rides like a native, stay with me. Let us ride. I will give you 5 big secrets that most people get totally wrong. These 5 secrets will make you sound 10 times more American tomorrow morning. Secret number 1, ride versus drive. This one is huge. This one is number 1 for a reason. In many countries, people say, I drive the bus to work every day. But in America, that is wrong unless you're the actual bus driver. If you are sitting inside, you are not driving, you are riding. So you say, I ride the bus to work. You say, I ride the train to school. You say, I ride my bike to the store. You say, I ride with my friend to the party. You only say drive when you control the car. I drive my car to work. I drive my truck to the lake. I drive my mom car on weekends. See the difference? Drive means you are the boss. Ride means you are chilling in the passenger seat, maybe eating snacks, maybe checking your phone. And here is some super American slang for you. We say hitch a ride. That means you get a free ride from someone. Like, yo, dude, can I hitch a ride to downtown? Super common. We also say, give me a ride. Like, can you give me a ride to the airport? That is the most American sentence ever. Every American says that every week. We also say, I need a ride. That means I do not have a car right now, so do not say I need a drive. Say I need a ride. Small word, big difference. Secret number 2, get in versus get on. Oh man, this one is savage because it makes no sense, but Americans do it every single day, and if you get it wrong, you sound funny. You get in a car, you get in a truck, you get in a taxi, you get in a small thing. Because a car is small, you have to bend and go inside. So you get in. You get on a bus, you get on a train, you get on a plane, you get on a big thing. Because a bus is big, you step up and you get on. So you say, get in the car, guys, let us go to the beach. But you say, get on the bus, we are going to be late for class. If you say, get on the car, Americans will laugh. It sounds like you are sitting on the roof like a superhero. Do not do that unless you are actually a superhero. And one more slang, we say, hop in. Hop in means get in quickly. Like, hop in, man, we are leaving. Super casual, super American. We also say, hop on the bus. Hop on the bus means get on fast. So now you know. Small vehicle, get in. Big vehicle, get on. Secret number 3, fast versus quick and slow versus late. This is where transportation meets competition. And Americans live for this stuff. In America, life is a race, work is a race, school is a race, even getting coffee in the morning is a race. So you need to know fast versus quick. Fast is about speed. How fast can your car go? My car is fast. That sports car is super fast. That truck is fast as hell. American slang, as hell means super. Quick is about time. How much time did it take? That was a quick ride. That was a quick trip. That was quick. So you can have a slow car that still gives you a quick ride if the store is super close. You see, fast is about the car. Quick is about the clock. And now slow versus late. The slow is about speed. That car is slow. That bus is slow like a turtle. Americans love to say slow like a turtle or slow as a snail. Late is about time. You are not on time. Sorry, dude, I am late. Traffic was crazy. Do not say I am slow when you mean you are late. If you say I am slow, it sounds like you are saying your brain is slow. That is not good. You are not slow. You are just late. Big difference. Americans say I am running late. That is super common. Like, yo, I am running late. Start without me. Secret number 4, win, lose, beat, overtake, pass, cut off. This is pure competition talk. And Americans use it for driving every single day. Win means you are number 1. I won the race. We won. My team won. Simple. Lose means you did not win. I lost the race. My team lost. My car lost. Beat means you did better than someone else. I beat you in the race. I beat my friend to work. I beat traffic. Oh man, Americans love to say I beat traffic. If you beat traffic in Los Angeles or New York, you are a hero. Like you are a legend. Everyone will say, no way you beat traffic at 5 p.m. You are a god. Overtake means you go past another car because you are faster. But in everyday American English, we almost always say pass. Pass is more casual, more chill, more American. So you say that truck was so slow, so I passed it. Or that car tried to overtake me on the highway, but I was faster and cut off. This one is super important for road rage. Road rage means you are angry while driving. If someone passes you in a roadway, super close, super fast, they cut you off. Like, yo, that dude just cut me off. That guy cut me off on the freeway. That is everyday talk. We also say tailgate. Tailgate means someone drives super close behind you. Like, stop tailgating me, dude. Very American. We also say honk. Honk means means you press the horn, like he honked at me. And we say brake check. That is when you hit the brakes hard to scare the guy behind you. Do not do that. It is dangerous, but you will hear Americans talk about it. Secret number 5. Your car is not just a car in America. Your car is your identity. Your car is your freedom. Your car is your personality. So we do not just say car, we say ride. Nice ride, man. That means nice car. Love your ride. We say whip. This is super cool street slang. You'll check out my new whip. That means check out my new car. If you say whip in front of young Americans, they will say, okay, you are cool. We say wheels. I got new wheels. That can mean I got a new car or I got new tires. Depends on context. We say hooptie. Hooptie means an old beat up car that barely works, but you still love it. Like my first hooptie was a total mess, but I loved it. We say beater. Beater is similar. An old car that still gets you from point A to point B. We say lemon. Lemon means a car that always breaks. Like I bought a lemon. It broke down 3 times this month. Breakdown means the car stops working. My car broke down on the highway. Super common. In the shop means the car is being fixed. My car is in the shop. And gas. In America, we say gas, not petrol. Fill up the gas. I need gas. Gas is expensive right now. That is every day. We also say mileage. Mileage means how many miles your car can go per gallon of gas. Good mileage means you save money. Now, let me tell you a real story, because this happened to me, and it shows why this matters. When I first landed in Texas, big state, big cars, big everything, I thought I knew car English. I thought, okay, car, bus, train ride, drive easy. I was with some new American friends, and we were going to a college football game. Football in Texas is not just a game. It is life. It is religion. So we are about to get in the car, and my friend yells, shotgun. And I looked around. I thought, what? Where's the gun? Is this dangerous? I was super confused and a little scared. Everyone laughed, but in a nice way. They said, dude, shotgun means I want the front seat. It is a game. Whoever says shotgun first gets to sit next to the driver. Every American kid knows this. No book taught me that. Real life taught me that. Then on the highway, we hit traffic. Houston traffic is insane. And my friend says we are going to take the carpool lane. I said, what is carpool lane? Carpool lane is the special lane on the American freeway for cars with 2 or more people. It is also called the HOV lane. It is usually faster. If you are alone in that lane, police will give you a big ticket, big fine, lots of money gone. So Americans carpool a lot. Carpool means you share a ride with friends or coworkers to save gas and to go fast. So I learned that day that transportation English is not just words, it is culture. It is how Americans live and move and compete every day. Now think about this with a simple analogy that will stick in your brain forever. Learning to talk about cars and competition in English is exactly like learning to drive a car in America. At first you are nervous, you look at every sign. You think too much. Should I say ride or drive? Should I say get in or get on? Should I say fast or quick? Your hands are tight on the wheel, but after a while you relax, you turn on the music, you start to feel it. You do not think anymore, you just drive, you just talk. Your English goes from slow and shaky to fast and smooth. Vroom and competition words are like gas for your car. They give you power, they make you sound confident. When you say I will beat traffic, when you say I won, when you say nice whip, you sound like you belong, you sound like an American. So here is my simple plan for you to win. Every day pick 1 transportation word and 1 competition word and use it in real life. Today pick ride and beat. Say I had a great ride today, I beat traffic and got home quick. Easy. Tomorrow pick overtake and wheels. Say that old truck tried to overtake me, but my new wheels are faster. Next day, pick carpool and win. Say we carpooled to work and we won because we used the fast lane. Small steps every day and you will be fluent faster than you think. Remember what Americans say, slow and steady wins the race. It means if you keep going little by little, you will win in the end. That is true for driving and for English. Let me give you more everyday dialogues. Super simple A to B1 level so you can copy and use them right now. Dialogue 1, morning ride with a friend. Hey man, how do you get to work every day? I usually drive my car. Sometimes I ride the bus if traffic is super bad. Cool. How long is the ride? Like 20 minutes if I beat traffic. If not, like an hour. Traffic in LA is no joke. Want to carpool tomorrow? Sure, you can hitch a ride with me. I got you. Awesome. Thanks, dude. You are the best. Dialogue 2, talking about a race. Did you see that race last night on TV? Yeah, that new electric truck was insane. I know it beat every sports car on the track. No way it won the whole thing. Yep, it overtook everyone on the last lap. Crazy fast. Man, I want that ride. That whip is fire. Fire means super cool in American slang. Same bro, same. Dialogue 3, asking for a ride when your car broke down. Yo, can you give me a ride to the store later? Sorry, man, my car is in the shop right now. Oh, no, what happened? It broke down yesterday on the freeway? Engine trouble. That sucks. That sounds like a lemon. Yeah, I know. I will just get a ride share. Okay, cool. Let me know if you need anything. Dialogue 4, road rage, but funny. Dude, did you see that guy? Yeah, he just cut me off. What a jerk. He was tailgating me for like 5 miles. You should have honked. I did, but he did not care. Some people drive like they are in a race. True. Let it go, man. Slow and steady wins the race. Dialogue 5, talking about gas and mileage. Yo, gas is so expensive right now. I know I spent $50 yesterday just to fill up. My old Hooptie has terrible mileage. Same, my truck eats gas like crazy. We should carpool more to save money. Good idea. Let us ride together. See how easy that is. No hard grammar. Just real talk. Real American talk. Now you know the words, but you need the the attitude. In America, cars mean freedom. When you're 16, you get your license and you feel like you can go anywhere. That is why we say hit the road. Hit the road means go, start driving, start your adventure. We say road trip. Road trip means a long, fun drive with friends. Every American loves a road trip. California road trip, Route 66 road trip, Texas road trip. We say joyride. Joyride means you drive just for fun, no destination, just music and friends. We say take the wheel. Take the wheel means you drive. Like you take the wheel, man, I am tired. We say backseat driver. Backseat driver means someone who tells you how to drive when they are not driving. Like, dude, stop being a backseat driver. Americans also use it for life, like stop being a backseat driver in my life. All these small phrases make you sound super native. And for competition, Americans love to compete with cars even when there is no race. We say my car can smoke your car. Smoke means beat super easily. We say dusted. Like I dusted that guy on the highway. Means you left him in the dust. You were much faster. And we say floor it. Floor it means press the gas all the way to the floor. Super fast. Like I floored it to beat the yellow light. Yellow light means the light before red. Americans say beat the yellow light. Means you go fast before it turns red. We say 0 to 60. How fast does your whip go 0 to 60? That is how Americans measure fast. All of this is everyday English, but no school teaches you this. That is why Bright English is here. We teach you the English that real Americans use when they talk about rides, races, traffic, road trips, all of it. So let us recap super quick with super simple words so you never forget. Use ride when you are passenger. Use drive when you are boss. Use get in for small cars. Use get on for big buses and trains. Use fast for speed. Use quick for time. Use late when you are not on time, not slow. Use win for number one. Use lose for not win. Use beat to say you are better than someone. Use pass or overtake to go past a car. Use cut off or rude pass. And use cool slang like ride, whip, wheels, hooptie, breakdown in the shop, hitch a ride, carpool, shotgun, beat traffic, hit the road. If you use these words, your English will go from old and slow to new and fast. Your English is like your car. If you take care of it, if you wash it, if you put good gas in it, it will take you far. If you ignore it, it will break down. So take care of your English ride every day. We got so much more coming on Bright English YouTube channel. We are making everyday conversations that make you sound American in real life. Next video, we are talking about food slang that will make you order burgers and fries like a real American dude. And after that, we are talking about sports trash talk that will make you sound like you were born in America. So do not miss it. Subscribe right now. Hit that bell so you get the next video the second it drops. Come ride with us. Come win with us. Let us make your English fast, fun, and fire. And now I want to hear from you because I want to start a big fight in the comments in a fun way. So here's the debate. In America, everyone argues about what is more American. Is it a huge, loud truck that is super strong, super big, super fast, can beat anything, can carry anything, sounds like thunder on the road? Or is it a small, smart electric car that is super quick, super clean, super modern, saves gas money, saves the planet, and still beats big cars in a race? Team truck versus team electric. Big versus small. Loud versus quiet. Old school versus new school. Tell me in the comments what team you are on. Tell me why your team wins and why the other team loses. Tell me what ride you drive or what ride you want. I want to see who will win this debate. Team truck or team electric. Let us see who has the best English and the best arguments. Let us go.